how to get your player code on Steam so that you can send it to your friends and be friends on Steam. So in order to get your player code on Steam, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is go to the friends option from the top, and from here you will find this option which says add a friend. Tap here and you will find this code. So this code is you need to send this code to the friend you want to be friends with on Steam. So you are playing a game in a server and you have made a friend. So you just simply have to copy the code and send it to your friend, and your friend is going to paste this in this part, and this is how you guys become friends on Steam. So this is pretty simple, you just have to do that. Okay, so hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.